mga shooters association.
Paki-turn up yung mic, to the associations of the, Mr. Attorney Gutierrez, you are raising your hand, please.
Attorney Rodriguez, Your Honor. Anyway, technically and legally, it is a statutory right. A right granted by law.
Okay. You want to ask?
Kindly present to me a provision of law that makes it a statutory right, that ownership of a gun is a right.
Yes, Your Honor.
What provision of law?
RA 10591.
What provision of 10591 would it state that it is a right? Abogado po kayo, di po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
It's a statutory right, meaning it is granted by law.
It is provided for by law.
Yes.
Nagkaintindihan tayo. Abogado rin po ako eh.
Yes, I know.
Oh. Kaya nga, what provision of law? Kindly state that provision of law. Kasi sinasabi mo, statutory right. I'm asking you, what law grants that statutory right?
We'll check on the provision, Your Honor, of the law, and I'll get back, Your
Yes,
Honor.
hanapin mo lahat
Yes.
yan. Wala akong makita.
Yes, Your Honor.
Members of the PNP, you want to reply to the query of Congressman Acop, please?